Good morning, all of you. Welcome to NTTF Dharwad. My name is Praveen Koneri, in charge of CPPCM. My trainee.
My name is Sarendra Swaha. My name is Sachandra Lodi.
Please come forward. Today we are going to do a MA tap using M29 rigid tapping and PEC tapping G84. The specialty today is PEC tapping using a PEC of 3 mm, Q 3 mm and total depth of -21. We are going to do MA tap. This is a MA tap, and already we have pre-drilled a hole of 6.8 mm. Now we are going to do the dry run. It is going to cut in the air. Now every time it is going to orient, and now it is doing PEC tapping. It will tap again, it will PEC again, reverse again, PEC. Until it reaches the final depth of -20. See, it has oriented. This is dry run. Before actually cutting, it is cutting in the air. For safety purpose, we are doing the dry run. I made tap, yeah, see. Every time it will orient, since we have used M29 rigid tapping. And this entire program credit goes to our one-year trainees, CPPCM, Shailendra and Sachendra. Wonderfully, they have programmed it really well. MA tap. Yeah, now actually we are going to do Now we are going to do the actual cutting. This we make it 300 and M08 coolant. Now we are going to do the actual cutting. You can see here, you can see the actual cutting happening. Actually it is cutting. See, it is going to orient every time. Very nicely it is going to do the metric mid tap. And it is PEC tapping. The specialty is PEC tapping. It is going to do a depth of 3 mm PEC. Orient, come back. Beautifully it is standing. Now you can see the result. This is a amid gold. You can see beautifully it is done. You can see, you can feel it. Yes, you can see this. So successfully we have done MA tap, and I'm very thankful to my two trainees, proud trainees. They have done wonderfully well. We at UTC Dharwad NTTF, we are very proud of our two CPPM trainees. They executed PEC tapping with M29 rigid tapping. Thank you.